Hey everybody, it's Marilyn Peavy with Marilyn's Jewelry Corner and Sparkling, the team leader of Sparkling Angels. How is everybody? Y'all, I am going to do a training video on how to get more people on your lives and where you're not hearing crickets. Are you hearing crickets on your lives? Well, if you hear crickets and you answered yes, you want to stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm going to be doing a series. So this is going to be broken down into parts, okay? So the first part is, are you adding people to your timeline daily? And I'm going to tell you how to do that, okay? The second part is going to be your basically your timeline, what it should look like, and also questions. You need to start asking questions on your timeline and on your business page to get interaction. And then the third part, the most important part that I have found that I get more people on my lives is utilizing the stories on Facebook. So we're going to break those parts down. So right now we're going to do part one, okay? And part one is adding friends to your timeline. So how do you do that? So you need to broaden your horizon and get more people on your friends list so you can start interacting with those people. And the only way to do it that I have found is joining groups of your interest. Don't join paparazzi groups or jewelry groups or anything like that. What I would do is something of interest. So if you like crafts or cooking or makeup, to that matter, go into those groups, join those groups. I challenge you to join 5 interest groups right now and start interacting with those folks in those groups. Once you start interacting with those folks in those groups, don't be posting your business on those groups, okay? When you start interacting, then you send a friend's request followed up by a message to that person, okay? You want to start asking them questions. I would say, hey, I added you as a friend because I love what you said and I wanted to connect with you, and I sent you a friend's request, okay? So don't just send those people a friend's request. Follow it up with a message and then start connecting with those people. Don't mention your business at all when you go on there, okay? When you start doing that, they eventually, if they accept your friends request, they're going to probably check out your timeline. And part 2 is going to be about your timeline. So you want to see part 2 of this video, of this series. So first off, you want to get your business on your timeline. So anyway, they're going to see all that. If you do what I tell you, they're going to see all your stuff on your timeline. So they're going to check you out, I promise. So then you need to start connecting. Now, I would start connecting with folks on your friends list already, okay? Already, and start talking to them and sending them private message. Y'all, the #1 algorithm boost in your to boost your algorithm is a private message in Facebook. And if you have not done that, you need to start doing that. Now I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you. You need to go down. You're going to see on your friends list a list of people that is on your friends list, but I want you to scroll down. So just bear with me, and I'm gonna share you my screen, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, you guys, we are back, and I'm on my timeline. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on our friends, and these are the friends that I interact with mostly. But if you keep scrolling down, now this is on a computer, you can do it on your phone as well, but if you keep scrolling down all the way to the end, then you can start messaging those people. You can start messaging those people by just asking them a question. How's your day? Or even you can go to their timeline and go on there, and if you see something that you like, then comment on it, okay? So I wouldn't go scrolling down a whole lot, but I would scroll down some that that you won't look spammy. Just ask them, comment a genuine response. Like this was this one right here was I guess a story, and it was a video. She shared it. So this one is something that happened 12 years ago. So you can comment something genuine on that. So that is how you can build up those people's your on your friends list. So there you go, y'all. Go get those friends and try to at least send 5 friend requests a day, and go comment on your your friends list as I showed you, to get those interactions with friends that you do not comment with on a daily basis. Go comment on their timeline and get those algorithms up. So the more people you do, the better off you will be, and they will start seeing your stuff, because that's when Facebook says, oh, they've got an interaction, we're going to start sending we're going to start sharing her videos and stuff to their to them, so they'll start seeing your lives. So go do that, and then what I'm going to be posting the number 2 component, and that is your getting your timeline in order. Okay, we need to let people know that we are selling jewelry. So I'm going to show you, give you some tips on that video on how to do that. See you then.